Today's AI can write a poem about gravity, but it doesn't actually understand gravity. Now, a radically different kind of AI is being built, one that learns how reality itself works. They're called world models, and in 2026, they've become the hottest, most heavily funded bet in all of artificial intelligence. Billions of dollars are pouring in. To understand why, start with what today's chatbots really do. A large language model predicts the next word. It's astonishingly good at language, but it has no body, no world. That's why these systems still hallucinate basic physics. They've read millions of descriptions of the real world, but they've never actually experienced how objects move, fall, or collide. A world model flips that entirely. Instead of predicting the next word, it predicts the next moment, simulating how a scene will unfold through space and time. Think of the difference like this. One AI has read every book about riding a bike. The other has actually felt the balance, the wobble, the fall. World models build an internal simulation of reality, learning cause and effect by watching video and interacting, the same way a child learns the world before ever learning to speak, and the demonstrations are stunning. Google DeepMind's Genie 3 can generate an interactive, explorable 3D world in real time, complete with consistent physics, lighting, and object behavior. Show it a scene, and you can move through that world as it invents what's around the next corner, moment by moment. It's not a video, it's a living simulation. The biggest names in AI are all diving in. Yann LeCun, one of the founding godfathers of AI, left Meta to build world models, raising around $1 billion. He argues bluntly that scaling up language models will never reach true intelligence, and that understanding physical reality is the only real path forward. Not everyone agrees, but the bet is enormous. Others are racing too. Fei-Fei Li's World Labs built Marble, which generates explorable 3D spaces. NVIDIA's Cosmos creates virtual worlds to train robots safely before they ever touch reality. That robotics link is the real prize. A robot can practice millions of times inside a simulated world, learning to handle the messy, unpredictable physical world without breaking anything. The same idea powers self-driving too. Waymo built a world model to simulate endless driving scenarios, testing rare, dangerous situations safely thousands of times without a single real car on the road. If it works, world models could finally give robots and machines genuine common sense about the physical world, something today's cleverest chatbots still completely lack. But let's stay honest, because the hype is loud. The term world model is used very loosely right now, slapped onto everything from simple video generators to genuine physics simulators. And huge challenges remain. Keeping these simulated worlds consistent over long stretches is hard, and gathering enough real interaction data to train them is even harder. So this isn't a solved revolution. It's a high-stakes race, with brilliant people betting billions on whether machines can finally learn reality the way we do. So here's my question for you. Do you think the path to smarter AI runs through language or through understanding the physical world? Tell me honestly below. And if front row seats to the next great leap in technology fascinate you the way they fascinate me, subscribe, because this race is only just beginning.